Hi, how are you? Welcome to our channel. I am Dr. PV Kishore. How are you? I hope everybody fine. Keep smiling. So we will move to our today's topic. Today we will see about load curve. The load curve showing the variation of load on the power station with reference to time is known as load curve. The load on a power station is never constant. It varies from time to time. These load variations during the whole day, that is 24 hours, are recorded hourly and are plotted against time on graph. The curve thus obtained is known as daily load curve, as it's shown in variations of load with a reference to time during the day. You can see the diagram. So figure 1 shows a typical daily load curve of a power station. It is clear that load on the power station is varying, being maximum at 6 pm in this case. It may be seen that load curve indicates at a glance the general character of load that is being imposed on the plant. Such a clear representation cannot be obtained from tabulated figures. So you can see the diagram, so then you can easily understand. So this is the given diagram. So according to this, you can understand the load curve. So the monthly load curve can be obtained from the daily load curve of the month. For this purpose, average value of power over a month at different times of the day are calculated and then plotted on the graph. The monthly load curve is generally used to fix the rates of energy. The load curve is obtained by considering the monthly load curves of that particular year. The yearly load curve is generally used to determine the annual load curve. See here, the daily load curves have attended a great importance in generation, as they supply the following information readily. See here, the daily load curves shows the variations of load on power station during different hours of the day. Next point, the area under the load curve gives the number of units generated in the day. A unit generated per day is equal to area in kilowatt hour under daily load curve. It is very important. The highest point on the load curve represents the maximum demand on the station on that day. The area under the load curve divided by the total number of hours gives the average load on the station. The ratio of area under the load curve to the total area of rectangle in which it is contained gives the total factor. That is, load factor is equal to average load by maximum demand, or else load factor is equal to area under daily load curve by total area rectangle in which the load curve is contained. The load curve helps in selecting the size number of generating units. Load curves gives full information about incoming and help to decide the installed capacity of the power station and to decide the economical size of various generating units. These curves also help to estimate the generating cost, and to decide the operating schedule of the power station, that is sequence in which different units should be run. Okay, this is about load curve.